The art of tightening our crease, aka socket shading. Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya. Welcome to my channel, All Things Venus. We can go in with a contour shade, like this is a nice cool toned contour shade. And first I'm going to contour with that. I'm just going to give the eyes a little bit of that socket shading. Applying that contour powder in the crease. And what I like to do is I like to lift my eyebrows up when I'm applying this so that I can sort of have an idea as to exactly where I'm putting what. And this is a very grayish, pinky grayish kind of a powder. And I'm concentrating most of it in the outer corners, as you can see. And now I'm going to go in with the center shade. This is the bronzer shade. And I find applying like a matte bronzer on the eyes, like especially in the crease, I find it very simple and glamorous. Taking that bronzer powder and applying it like 1 millimeter above the crease, because that makes the eye look a little bit bigger and a little bit more younger than what it is. So sometimes when I'm like really trying to give my eyes some definition, what I do is I take the product and I come at it this way. Okay, and then I go in like that to like really define it. Like that. See? And then I'm going to take a bigger crease brush and just buff everything in. This step is very important, guys. Even though this step, it doesn't really feel like you've done much, but this is the step that just makes everything look seamless and well blended. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, and if there's anything else, let me know that you would like me to make a video on. Let me know in the comments below and I will do so. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel and like and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.